In this video, we are going to fix an audio imbalance issue in your laptop. If sound is coming louder from one speaker and lower from another speaker, this tutorial will help you fix it easily. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first method is right click here start button and click here setting option. And after that guys, click here accessibility. After that guys, find here audio under hearing option, click on it. And if this option is on, mono audio, off it. Okay, if this option is on, off it, mono audio should be off. Now close this window. Now we are going for next method, second method. So guys, after that, right click here start button and click here run. And type here this box control and click here OK button. And after that guys, select here large icon here and find here option sound. Click here this sound option and you can see here there are two options. This is our connected. Now click here properties and click here level. And after that guys, click here balance and 100 it. Okay, set here these two balance right and left and click here OK and click here OK. Now close this window. Now guys, we are going for next method. Right click here this icon, audio icon, and click here open value mixer. Click on it. And after that guys, click here this option, reset. Now close this window. Now guys, we are going for next method. Click here this PC, right click on it and click here show more option and click here manage option. And after that guys, click here device manager option. And find here sound and video this option and right click here this driver and update driver. Click here browse my computer and let me pick and select your driver here and click here next. So guys, your driver will updated here. Now close this window, close this window, close this window. Now restart your PC. After that guys, check your problem is fixed or not here. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.